Hello, hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, SB. I'm so glad that you are back. So, as you can see here, I've got my little mini Sentro machine out, and that is because we are going to be testing this yarn in the Sentro machine to see if it's going to work. Now, this is the yarn that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and of course it was $1.25. So what did I do? I picked up a few more, and I was curious to see if this would work in the knitting machine because I crochet. As you all know, if you're new to the channel, I do crochet, I do needle tatting, I also work with this. I also knit, but knitting is not the funnest thing in the world for me. So yeah, as you can see here, it is a number 4 yarn, and it has the gauges for both knitting and crochet. But yeah, I picked this up because I thought, oh, this would be so nice as like a plushie, or even like just a plushie sock. So anyways, let's see if this is gonna work. So the only way I'm gonna get it to work is if I can find the end. Wow. This yarn would be lovely to work with in crochet. Okay, I think I found it. There we go. There we go, I got it. I simply was really drawn to this yarn because I was thinking it's going to hide all of the stitches and everything. And yeah, excuse the hands if you notice that I got dye all over my hands. So don't worry, there's nothing wrong. All right, so we're going to go ahead and get started here. So I'm just going to do my normal cast on. And that's just by, you know, wrapping the first one, going around just like this, and we're just going to go all the way around. Okay, we're back around, pop that in there, and I'm just going to let that flow there. Okay, so we're going to start our first round, our first official round. I might have too much tension here. Usually that first round is always the most difficult anyways in any of these machines. But so far it seems to be flowing pretty well. I'm not really paying attention to it because I kind of want to be surprised, but I should have tightened this up just a bit. So in case you're curious what I do after I get done with testing out these yarns, I usually don't cut it because, you know, sometimes I already have like a project in mind or something. So I just unravel it and roll it back up into a ball. And I did notice a comment in one of my other previous videos on a Sentro machine. I can't remember if it was an actual project, but they were saying that I should be using my hands for tension, but usually my hands are out of frame and it's actually sitting right here holding the yarn off frame, so you don't see my actual hands. In case, you know, you're one of those people that were wondering if I do use my hands for tension. I do use my hands for tension simply because, you know, it's nice to be able to fill your yarn. So far it's really flowing really good. I love it. I think this is going to be like the best yarn ever. I don't know if Dollar Tree is still actually carrying this, because at my Dollar Tree they only had like 4 skeins of this yarn left, and the rest of it was that chenille or Chanel. Is it chenille or Chanel? Potato. So yeah, I think this is gonna work great. So far so good. And even if you do wind up like having a tuck stitch or something, you won't even be able to tell because look at this. I mean, wow, amazing. Wow, I was getting some speed on that one. All right, let's go ahead and just take this off. I wasn't even counting how many rounds I went, but I mean, with as fast as I was going, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a wonderful yarn to use. So there's my first peg, and I'm just going to pop it off of the machine. See if it comes off. Ooh, it came off real cleanly. Wow, amazing. So let's get this, let's move this out of the way, and we'll take a little look-see. All right, so here is the Premier Just Yarn Plush, knitted on the 22-pin Sentro machine. And oh my God, look at this. It looks so good. Wow, I love it. I would just flip it inside out. Oh my God. Okay guys, go out if you have a Sentro machine and you have a Dollar Tree or something that sells this yarn. This is like the best. It worked up so well and it just flowed through the machine like butter. As far as I can tell, it's very difficult to see the stitches on this, but as far as I can see, there are no drop stitches. Even if there was a tucked stitch, you wouldn't be able to really see it. So, oh my God, I love this. Oh, it's so soft. I wish y'all could feel this. It just feels so nice. And I betcha if I put more tension on the yarn through the machine, it would look even better. Oh, wow. Okay, guys. Oh my God. I am going to have to go hunting for some more of this Just Yarn by Premier. Or maybe I'll just get on their website and see if they have it. Because this is amazing. I love this and I want to make so many things. A cowl with this, a scarf, little socks, which caveat, I am working on finally the sock pattern for the Sentro machine. We were going to be working with the larger machine and it's going to be worked flat because I was wanting to try to do something that was a little easier to work up where we didn't have to do any special kind of stitches or, you know, get an extra tool to do extra things with. I wanted something that was going to be fairly simple to work up but look nice instead of just making a long tube. Like I've seen a lot of videos just making long tubes and those are just like house socks, I think is what they call them. But I'm planning on using this yarn since it works. I'm so excited and working up that pattern for you guys. And hopefully I can have it out before winter ends. But, you know, everybody needs a nice house sock, right? Or a nice sock to wear around the house. And I think this is going to be perfect. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm glad that this yarn worked. I'm so excited to look for some more. Look at this. It looks like one of those like shag rugs. Oh, wow. That's so cool. Okay. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Happy crafting.